Hey everyone, you're welcome to my YouTube channel, The Tech Star. So today I want to show you how to set Droid VPN. Yes, I'm going to show you the Droid VPN settings that you can use and use it to access the internet. So it's what I'm going to show you always. But before I continue, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, The Tech Star. Like this video and enter notification. Right, so let me show you. So let us head over to our Droid VPN. And now when you reach the VPN, hoping you have an account, right? Yes, if you don't have an account, you can create one. Seeing those three bars in the left upper corner, just tap them and then you tap account and then you can create an account. Yes, sign up for free. Yes, VPN has a provision for signing up for free. That's if you don't want to pay at first, and then if you want first of all want to access the service, and then if you find out whether you will pay or not. So that's how you create the account, right? So let me first show you the settings. So hoping you have your account created, and now I'm going to show you the VPN settings. Right. So in the VPN we have four protocols. That is UDP, TCP, and then ICMP, and then HTTP. Yes, those are the protocols that you can use for Droid VPN connection. Yes, but I'm going to show you the settings for each of them one by one. All right, so in your Droid VPN, go back. You're seeing those three bars in the left upper corner. Tap them, and then you're seeing where there is settings. We have account here, upgrade rewards, logs, check IP update, then you have settings. So you tap on settings, and then when you tap on settings, you'll see this screen. So in here you can see we have the TCP, HTTP, then UDP settings, ISCMP settings, VPN connection settings. So I'm going to show you one by one. Yes, yes, just stay tuned, don't blink. Also, but please, before I continue, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel kindly, and then like video and then turn notifications so don't miss out on the group new fresh video. Alright, so let me show you the settings of each of them one by one. So we're going to begin with TCP. Yes. So under on your screen, yes, on my screen we are seeing TCP. So you tap on TCP, and then under TCP we have remote TCP port, local TCP port. So for the remote TCP port, now we are going to use 440. Yes. And the remote in the remote TCP we're going to use 0 in the remote TCP port. And then in the local TCP port, we are going to take 440. You get that? Yes, for remote TCP port, it is 0. And then for local TCP port is 440. All right. For TCP, those are the settings that you're going to be using. Now let's go back. So we go to UDP settings. Yes. One thing I've realized with VPN is I think most people use UDP settings to use to connect with VPN. I think. Yes, so let me show you the UDP settings. So under UDP settings, we have remote UDP port. Now for remote UDP port, we are going to take 53. Yes, for remote UDP port, we're going to take 53. And then we go for local UDP port. Yes, under local UDP port, we're going to take 80. You can use 80 or 80. You get that? 80 or 80. You get that? So we have UDP port testing. You can turn that on. Auto port scan, you can turn it on. It's not a big deal. You can turn it on or off. It works. And then we move down to UDP connection mode. So under UDP connection mode, we're going to choose mode 1. We have normal mode 1 and then compact view 2. So we're going to use mode 1. Get that? So we move down to T count. That is UDP mode 1 settings. And then under T count, we are going to take 5,000. It's 5,000. And then R count. For R count, we're going to take 4. Yes, those are the settings for UDP settings. You get those are the UDP settings for Droid VPN that you are going to be using. So you go back and then you move down to ICMP. So under ICMP, we're going to choose mode. So under ISINT, we choose mode, and then we choose static seek number. We have queued seek number, and then queued sequence number, and then static sequence number. So we are going to be using static seek number. That's option 1. Enable autonomy to use scan. You can turn it on or off. You can turn it on, and then we go back to VPN connection settings. So under VPN connection settings, run as root to turn that off. Yes, I keep it turned that off. And then use VPN service API, you can turn that on. Enable compression, you can turn it on. Bypass VPN for local network, you can turn it on. Off, I mean, turn it off. And then we're going to turn on MTU size. This is what I wanted to show you. Turn on MTU size. For turn on MTU size, we're going to take 1024. You get a 1024. That is 1024. That's going to be our turn on MTU size value. You get that. Press OK, and then you go back. So after putting those settings, you're seeing down here, you can choose the mode that you want to connect through. Yes, but I advise you use UDP mode settings just in case. If UDP is supported in your country, use UDP mode. Yes, but in case you want to choose to change the mode, you just tap on TCP, ICMP, or HTTP any. So for this case, we use UDP settings, UDP mode connection. So after putting your settings and then you have created the account, you can come back to your VPN and then you connect. But remember, with Droid VPN, it has some free, it has a few free servers. You get a few free servers, and then the other servers are paid for. You can pay for them. That's if you want to have unlimited. And then the other thing is for if you're using a free account, that is not upgraded, the usage has a limit. Yes, I think it's around 200 MBs. Yes, you cannot go beyond 200 MBs. That is per day. You get that. But there is a trick. You can create multiple. Okay, you can not multiple, but you can create 1, 2, 3 accounts. Just because when you reach the limit of one account, you can just switch to another account. You get that. Yeah, so that's how we do it. Droid VPN settings. That's how we set Droid VPN. All right, so stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, The Techstar. Like this video and then turn notification so you don't miss out when I drop a new fresh video. All right, thanks for watching. Big up.